Sorry. Now see question number 2. Aman, read the question number 2. Hmm. Sit down. So now we have to construct triangle PQR. Now this is the question number 2. First make a rough figure. Triangle PQR, P here, Q and R. Now see QR is equal to 6 centimeter, PQ is equal to 4.4 centimeter and this is 5.3 centimeter. And now we have to draw a perpendicular, Draw a bisector of P. Okay. So the bisector of P, first we draw an arc like this, then put a compass here, then here and this. अभी अब जिसको हम fairly draw करेंगे. This is now the perpendicular bisector and we can write like this x. So px is the bisector of angle P, or you can write point x here also. Leave that, you can write here also only. Now see, this is the rough figure. So everyone start making a triangle. सबसे first draw QR, that is equal to 6 centimeter. QR, this is 6 centimeter. And everyone draw neatly. और जिनके पास कंपास नहीं है, just see, first draw QR, then take a radius of 4.4, then take a radius of 4.4. You can write the point here also, not here, here. Radius of 4.4 at Q, draw an arc. यहाँ पे रखेंगे और एक ऐसे आर्क लगा देंगे 4.4 का. For second, take a radius of 5.3, put a compass at R, cutting the previous arc. और पुराने वाले पिछले आर्क को काट देना है. Now take a radius of 4.4 से आर्क लग गया? हाँ बोलो जोर से. Okay, after that take a radius of 5.3. Take a radius of 5.3. Yes, take a radius of 5.3, put at arc, cut the previous arc like this and join this point. This is PQR. Yes, done. Mark it. ऊपर लिखो P. Whatever the distance, जो भी उसमें distance है, जो radius हमने लिया है, you can write it. Construction means you have to write. This is 4.4 centimeter and this is 5.3. Now put a compass at this P. Open small radius and put a compass at P. Make an arc like this. Third, with small radius. With small radius at at P, draw an arc cutting PQ and PR. Okay, PQ and PR को कट करना है with this arc. Then you will get a 2 points, one on PQ, one on PR. Now, after that, you can open your compass with any radius. Okay, any radius, but not small. Or you can take a radius more than a half of QR. Then put a compass here. Put a compass at this point on PQ. Draw an arc. And again put a compass on the second point, that is on PR, and cut the previous arc and then join this. And write it X here, Y here. इसका फोर्थ है, ये तो हो ही गया यहाँ पे PQ एंड फ्रॉम. और ये अगर तुम्हें कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो यू कैन राइट AB हियर ऑल्सो, कैपिटल A and B. AB. Then at A, draw an arc. At B, cutting the previous arc. Okay. Now PY not PX. PX is a bisector of angle P. Done? किसी का नहीं बना तो पूछो. Done? ओजस, यू बन गया? गुड. यू ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता है. शो मी योर कॉपी. ये 5.3 है, ये तो 4.2 दिख रहा है. क्या रेडियस लेना नहीं आता? अब जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ टेक अ रेडियस ऑफ दिस, इधर लाओ, इसको उठाओ. When I say if you take a radius of 5.3, तो तुम्हें रेडियस लेना नहीं आता. देखना कहाँ पर आर्क लग रहा है. This 4.4. देखो कहाँ पर बना है. यहाँ पर बना ना, तुम उसे कहाँ ज्वाइन कर रहे हो? Done everyone? स्टेप्स लिख लिए ना? गुड. बन गया तुम्हारा? कंपस ही नहीं है. यस, रॉन्ग हो गया. यू ठीक है. उपासना बन गया तुम्हारा? उपासना and Rajni? Okay, good. Now this is clear and this is the step. अगर किसी का कंपल्स नहीं है तो वो स्टेप को यूज कर ले और उसके बाद फिर वो बना सकता है. ये स्टेप्स है. और एनीवन वांट टू राइट तो राइट लिख भी सकते हो इसको. क्लियर एवरीवन? नाउ यू नहीं तुम नहीं. ये सेकंड क्या नाम है उसको भूल गए. हाँ हाँ, आर्यन. आर्यन, असाइल. So read the third question. अच्छा, एक और चीज है, everyone must measure this angle. सबको ये एंगल चेक करना है, x डिग्री, इट इज x डिग्री, ये चेक करके सबको लिखना है. ओके, नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, अभी नहीं करना, बाद में कर लेना. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. और किसी को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो प्लीज बीच में बोलो, आई डोंट माइंड. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. कंस्ट्रक्ट a equilateral triangle whose sides are 6.2 centimeter. Measure each one of its angles. Sit down please, बैठ के. ये अपने आप ही सबको करना है. वैसे तो हमें पता ही है कि इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल का कितने डिग्री का एंगल होता है. नहीं, यू अमन, इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल में कितने डिग्री का एंगल होता है? ऑल एंगल मेजर्स. Good. In equilateral triangle, because all the sides are equal, so all the angles are also equal. Okay? Clear? Sit down. So all the angles are equal and all angle is measured to 60 degrees. So question number 3 is your homework. You can do by your own. Question number 4. Construct triangle ABC in which AB is ये equal है, ये equal है, and now measure angle B and C. Draw AD perpendicular to the BC. Good. चलो मैं बता रहा हूँ. Now see the question number 4. Just see, everyone see the question number 4 please. Question number 4. First you have to construct an isosceles triangle. Yes? What is the property of the isosceles triangle? Nandini. Other sides. Yeah. ठीक है बेटा, two sides are, and then it is a isosceles triangle. Sit down. If the two side of a triangle, if the two side of a triangle are equal in a triangle, two sides in a triangle are equal, then we say that it is a isosceles triangle. So in this, इसमें हमें रफ फिगर बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज नाउ इट इज विद अ नेम, तो हमें पता है कि इसे आइसोसेलेस बनाना है. सो नाउ फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ BC 5.3 सेंटीमीटर. BC 5.3 सेंटीमीटर. BC 5.3 सेंटीमीटर. Done. Then take a radius of 4.8 in your compass. Then take a radius of 4.8 and make sure it must be 4.8. Then take a radius of 4.8 centimeter in your compass. First, you have to put at B and draw an arc. Then, without disturbing your radius, put your compass at C and cut the previous arc. And now you can join this like this. बन गया सबका ऐसा? Now this is 4.8 centimeter and this is 4.8 centimeter. It is an isosceles triangle because in this two sides are equal. And this is ABCD. So now A is here. Now we have to draw. अब हमें ए बी और सी को मेजर करना है, दैट इज द डिफरेंट थिंग. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू डू ए डी perpendicular to BC. Now everyone turn to the page, turn to the question number 1 from the exercise 17. This is 17, na 17A. Now everyone check. Yes, in the first construction, how we do, what we do, yeah, what we did already, हमने कर लिया है. तो you just see क्या किया था हमने कि we can put a compass here and then try to take a 2 point on BC. Yes. So now everyone start. Open your compass, put it at A, and now you can check first कि you will get 2 points on BC or not. बनाओ. छोड़ो. ठीक है. Is that clear everyone? तो same question है. And after getting a 2 point, after getting a 2 point, you can draw an arc from B and C. Now put your compass at B, take a radius more than BC, more than half of BC, and then draw an arc. Then without changing the radius, you can put your compass at C, cut the previous arc like this. Done? And now join here. You can see here is 90 degree, or you can mark X here or Y here. Now AX, what we have to draw? AD, sorry, we have to mark here D. Now AD is perpendicular to BC, and this means at this point both the sides we get 90 degree. Clear? And everyone, after drawing this, draw a line like this, और वो अपने D से check कर सकता है. This shows that it is a 90 degree. ये छोटा वाला हटा दो, it is not visible, so I just make it the bigger one. Yes? And in this question, you have to measure angle B and C also, but not now. You have this, whatever the measurement you can do at your home. घर में बैठो और उसको measure करो. And check the angle B and C are equal or not. ठीक है? अभी कोई डाउट है इस क्वेश्चन में? आर्क नहीं बनाया मैंने, मैं आर्क भी बना देता हूं. Now the question number 5, construct a triangle ABC in which you can now I just want to tell you question number 5 as rough. You can draw question number, or you can do question number 5 in your homework. Now see, the question is, everyone listen carefully. The question is, construct triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 3.8 centimeter, angle A is equal to 60 and BC is equal to 5. Okay, and अच्छा देखो सबसे important चीज, in the first 4 questions we did the construction by SSS property, side property. Now the fifth construction is related to SAS, side angle side. It means this angle must in between AB and AC. Okay. AB, no, it's not. I think it's not come in between. इसका मतलब है कि it is an isosceles triangle. Okay. चलिए देखते हैं, कंस्ट्रक्ट अ ट्राइंगल ABC. अभी देखते हैं इसको कि इट विल बी SAS और नॉट. Now the question number 5. AB is equal to 3.8, angle A is equal to 60 and AC is equal to 5. So first we draw AB. AB 3.8 centimeter. And now I think everyone know how to make 60-degree angle. मैंने 90 डिग्री बनाने के लिए 2 बार ऑलरेडी बता दिया है. So you can see, first draw a line segment AB that is equal to 3.8 centimeter. Then put a compass at A with a small radius and draw an arc like this. Yes, बनाओ, रफ में बनाओ ना उसको, घर जाके फिर रफ में बनाओ और घर जाके फेयर करना. दिस इज अ होमवर्क क्वेश्चन. अभी समझ लो इसको. ओके, रफ में बना लो थोड़ा सा क्या करना है. ओके, आफ्टर दैट यू कैन टेक 60 डिग्री फ्रॉम हियर लाइक दिस without changing the radius. When you are making an arc, don't change the radius. Put the compass here and make an arc of 60 degree. Now it is 60 degree. And now you see what is BC, AC. How much is AC? Now take a radius of 5 centimeter, put a compass at it and cut. This is 5 centimeter, join this here. Triangle is constructed now. Now you see, this is SAS or not? Side, angle, side. So this basically by the help of SAS. Now mark the question number 6 also homework. 7, 8, enough. So now everyone must write the diary. Homework from exercise 17.1, question number 3, exercise 17.2, question number 3, 4, and it's not. ये बात याद रखना कि होमवर्क में जो क्वेश्चन है उन्हें करना है. If you are not able to do, then you will ask tomorrow. 3, 4, not 4, it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Just 4 more questions we will do in tomorrow's class. Write down the date. Please mention it in your diary. If diary is not there, you can write you write all the homework today. जिसके पास डायरी नहीं है वो सारे होमवर्क्स को आज अपनी मैथ्स की कॉपी में लिखेगा. और एट द 0 पीरियड यू मस्ट, तब मैं उसमें एक नोट लिख दूंगा कि यू मस्ट हैव टू बाय द डायरी बाय टुडे. और तुम्हारी बुक्स का क्या कल खरीदोगे. You will check whatever book you want to buy and ask with that and ऑफिस में जाके पता करो और उसके बाद खरीदो उसे. और I think there is an exam in the next month. शायद हो सकता है. क्या होगा मुझे नहीं पता, but you can see now. So now everyone clear? In online also. And please maintain your diary. Upasna and क्या नाम, Riya, Rajni, sorry. Yes, Rajni, you have to maintain. You both have to maintain the diary. You can write down. This is the homework. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Take care, everyone. Now the class is over. Okay. Wait. Okay. Wait for the next. Start to next class.